What is given to us? Find two positive integers x and y such that x plus y is equals to 60 and x into y cube is equals to, yes, x into y cube is maximum. By seeing that word maximum, you have to come to the conclusion that we need to find maxima or minima. For that, we have to consider f of x. What they have given equations, given first one equation is given x plus y is equals to 60. So immediately you should equate y from this one. Y is 60 minus x. Now what we have to maximize? That is f of x, x into y cube. Because this is f of x, we have to substitute whatever value of y we have considered, that whole cube. Now a minus b whole cube expansion you should know. A minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. This is the formula for a minus b whole cube. Here in place of, take one bracket, cube is there, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3 into x square into 60 minus x plus, or you can do one thing. Without taking the formula, many of them can't remember the formula. To avoid that, what you can do is take f of x to this one only. Now differentiating. We got f of x. What is the process of finding maxima and minima? Check once. First we have to find f of x, then f dash of x. Once we have f of x, we will differentiate both sides with respect to x, applying d by dx to left side, then d by dx on right side, x into 60 minus x whole cube. Those who are good at derivatives, they can do it easily. This is u and v. So what we can have? U d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. So this will be x into x power n. X power n is n into x power n minus 1 into d by dx of 60 minus x. Remember or not?
Yes, sir.
When we are differentiating any bracket, if it has degree, consider this to be x, n into x power n minus 1, then into whatever we have considered, that you should write without power. Then this 60 minus x as it is whole cube into derivative of x is 1. So this will be 3x into 60 minus x whole square into d by dx of constant is 0, d by dx of x is 1 plus 60 minus x whole cube into 1. Now what we have? 3x into minus 1 minus 3x into 60 minus x square plus 60 minus x whole cube. Now taking common, what we can take common in this one?
60 minus 60.
Yes, 60 minus x 2 times, 60 minus x 3 times. Maximum how many times I can take common?
60 minus 6.
Whole square I have taken common. So what I will get inside?
Minus 3x
Plus.
60 minus 6.
Now we can write this f dash of x as 60 minus x whole square into how many x are there? Minus 3x minus 1x minus 4x. This is f dash of x. Okay. We have taken f of x, differentiated. In differentiation, you got u v form. So once we get u v form, we got f dash of x. Now check the method of finding maximum. No. Once we got f dash of x, we leave that one up to that mark. We will substitute. We will take yes f dash of x answer whatever we got equal to 0 because both multiples, first one equal to 0 or second one equals to 0. So 60 minus x equals to root 0 is 0 or 60 minus 4x equals to 0. Minus x I will take here, 60 goes that side is minus 60. minus 4x here, minus 60. So x is 60, x is 15. Two values of x I got. Okay, leave it. Once we got two values, then we'll take f dash of x once again. Whatever in box is there, we'll write that as it is. After writing the box term, what we'll do?
Differentiate both sides.
Yes, differentiating both sides with respect to x. D by dx I am taking to left side. D by dx I am taking to right side. So right side is in UV form. U. D by dx of V plus V whole square. Now we have to differentiate this one. 60 minus x whole square into, if I differentiate this 60, it is 0.
Minus
4 into derivative of x is 1. 60 minus 4x into x power n. Into here.
Yes, sir.
Next step, this is minus 4. Sixty minus 4x into 2 into 60 minus x into, this is 0, and second one is 1. So minus 1 is there. So where will you get this sign? Tell me.
Minus
Here you will get minus sign. Minus 2 into 60 minus 4x into 60 minus x. See this one, those who are good at simplification, they can only do this. Remaining one you can't do. Without practice you will not get this one. UV form has inner functions and all. One equation we got f dash of x. Then subtracting f dash of x value equal to 0, making two parts. Two values we got. Once we got two values, again we have taken f dash of x. We have taken differentiation, again UV form, u derivative of v derivative of u. Here in bracket we will get minus 4. Minus 4 comes here before the value. Here two brackets are there. These all are multiples. Whatever sign remains, this multiple will multiply and you will get here. And numbers comes here. 60 minus x we got both the times. We got f double dash of x. Now what we will do?
x is equals to
Take partition otherwise. Put x equals to
60.
60 in f double dash of x. Then what we have?
15.
Put x equals to 15 in f double dash of x. If I take 60, what I will get? Check it out. F double dash of 60 minus 4 into 60 minus 60 whole square minus 2 into 60 minus 4 into 60 into 60 minus 60. See, 60 minus 60 is 0, 0 into anything is 0, minus 60 minus 60 is 0, 0 into anything is 0. So 0 minus 0 is how much? F double dash of 60 is 0. If we have 0, no need to write. If less than we have some value, greater than 0 we have some value, for 0 we don't have any value. We leave it up to the mark. Now f double dash of 15 equals to minus 4 into 60 minus 15 whole square minus 2 into 60 minus 4 into 15, 60 minus 15. Minus 15. Now what we have here? Minus 4 into 60 minus 15, 45 whole square here. Minus 2 into 60 minus 60, 0 and anything is 0. So what we got at the end, answer in negative or positive? No need to simplify. F double dash of 15 is less than 0. So we can write F has, don't write F dash here, F double dash here. If F double dash is less than 0, F has maximum value at x equals to 15. Now what they are asking? Find x and y such that is maximum. X is 15. So what is y? Tell me. Equation 1. What is y?
60
60 minus x
45.
45. Got it? Check this one once again. Find two positive integers. They have given one equation, x plus y equal to 60, y is equal to 60 minus x. First step you need to remember, send that y term, x term to right side. 60 minus x. Then what is it? What we need to maximize? They give some formula, volume or anything. They have not mentioned anything like that. They have just given x into y cube. That is our f of x. F of x equal to x into y cube. But f of x means everything should be in terms of x. So y is removed and taken what in place of y? Equation 1, 60 minus x, because it has cube, 60 minus x cube. Now differentiated, we got UV form, differentiated again, f dash of x, inner functions, everything we have simplified and taken common. We got f dash of x value. Once we got f dash of x value, put that f dash of x value equal to 0, then find, you will get 2 or 3 or 1 value. We got two values here, x value 60 and 15. Then we have to again take f dash of x, what is given in the bracket, without taking 0. Just we have taken 0 for finding x values, that is over. Again f dash of x differentiated, we got f double dash of x. F double dash of x terms are arranged. Inner function negative values are taken first. Here negative value is there, minus 1 taken here, plus into minus, minus, then 2 is there, then these two brackets are there. After writing this, once we got f double dash of x, we have to take x equals to 60, first value in f double dash of x, second value in f double dash of x. We have not got any negative or positive value, leave this one. Here we got negative value. Once we got negative value, what we can do?
Maximum.
Yes, we can write f double dash of whatever we have done is less than 0 means negative. F has maximum value at x equals to 15. But we need x value or x and y value both? X and y. So take y equation and substitute in the x 60 minus 15 in that equation. You will get the value 45. X is 15 and y is 45. Then the maximum is value is maximum. Okay.